Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to delete send friend request on Facebook or how to cancel send friend request on Facebook. The step are also simple to follow on Android device as well as on iOS device. First of all, go and open your Facebook. After you open your Facebook, all you have to do now, tap on this section as you can see now. Tap on this menu at the top right side. Under this menu, now scroll to down and tap on this section which says friends. After you tap on this friends now, tap on this friends request. Now tap on this three dot at the top right side, this three dot. As you can see now, this three dot, tap on it. After you tap on this three dot, tap on this view sent request. So now as you can see now, in this section now you can be able now to see all sent friend requests that you send on Facebook. So if you want to just delete them or cancel, just tap on this cancel button beside the person name. As you can see, if I tap on this cancel button now, it cancelled the prayer request that I sent to this person and he did not accept my prayer request. That's it guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching guys.